Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best LED strip connectors that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video! Starting at number 5, we have the Chedin 20 PCS double-wire plug-in LED connectors. The Chedin 2-pin LED connectors offer an easy way to connect low-voltage wires without the need for stripping or cutting. You can quickly set them up on vehicles, audio equipment, LED strips, and more, saving you time and effort. These connectors include a locking buckle that keeps your wires firmly in place, preventing any accidental disconnections. Using them is simple. Just open the handle, insert the wire, press to secure, and close the lever to finish the connection. Plus, with 20 connectors included, you have plenty for multiple projects or replacements. Moving on, at number 4, we have the PAUTIX 8mm 2-pin COB LED strip connectors kit. The PAUTIX COB LED connectors are designed specifically for 8mm wide 2-pin COB LED strip lights, making it easy for you to connect strips without soldering. These connectors are perfect if you want a seamless light beam, thanks to their upgraded gapless L-shaped design that keeps connected strips close together. You'll appreciate the convenience of extending your LED strip length or making corner connections without any welding involved. Plus, the kit is reusable and simple to install, saving you time and effort when customizing your lighting setup. At number 3, we have the BTF-LIGHTING 20 pairs JST-SM3 pin connectors. The BTF-LIGHTING JST-SM connectors are a convenient solution for connecting LED light strips. With male and female plugs, these connectors are designed for use with WS282B, WS2811, WS282, and SK68TYBW LED strips. The best part is that there is no need for soldering, making installation quick and hassle-free. Whether you are connecting LED strips for a lighting project or any other application, these connectors are perfect for the job. Just make sure to check the colors of the wires and their respective polarities before connecting to your device as. With the BTF-LIGHTING JST-SM connectors, you can easily and securely connect your LED light strips without any hassle or fuss. At number 2, we have the ONEXIDOL 30 PCS 2-pin quick disconnect wire connectors. The ONEXIDOL 2-pin connectors are ideal for a variety of low-voltage projects like LED strip lights, automotive wiring, and home appliances. They work well with different wire types and sizes, making them versatile for your needs. These connectors speed up your wiring process by about 75% thanks to their simple plug-in design with a strong spring for secure connections. Using them is straightforward. Just align, insert, clamp, and connect 2 pieces together. Made from durable materials like polycarbonate and brass, these connectors resist heat and electrical shocks, ensuring safe and long-lasting use in many environments. And finally, at number 1, we have the BTFO 20 PCS 2-pin low-voltage wire connectors. The BTFO 2-pin wire connectors come in a pack of 20, giving you plenty of connectors for your daily wiring tasks. Made from durable ABS and brass, these connectors resist heat and wear, ensuring they last through various conditions. They work well with different types of wires, including solid, stranded, and flexible ones size 22-18 AWG, helping you keep wiring neat without twisting wires together. Plus, their locking buckle design makes installation quick and easy. Just insert the wire and push to lock, no tools needed. The connectors are reusable and protect against short circuits, making your connections safe and reliable. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.